Buying a 2-carat diamond is a major life decision. The size alone makes the smallest details visible, and the cost can be intimidating. The question is, how do you find the perfect stone without a jeweler pressuring you? Today, I'm going to take you on a journey through James Allen's website. We're going to build a hypothetical 2-carat diamond ring from start to finish. I'll show you exactly how to use their tools to find a great value stone, what to look for on the GIA certificate, and why their policies make this the smartest way to shop.
Okay, once you're on the James Allen website, you'll see a few different ways to shop. For example, if you need a ring for a quick gift, you can select from their ready-to-ship jewelry. But for us, we want to build our own ring and have complete control over every single detail, and that's why James Allen is so perfect. As you can see, you can start this journey from a couple of different places, either through the engagement menu or the diamonds menu. They both lead you to the same place. For our guide, we're going to use the Diamonds tab and begin by selecting Start with a Diamond. Now you'll see the full filter menu. Before we get into the 4 C's, I want to quickly point out one special type of diamond, the True Hearts diamond. These are part of James Allen's premier collection and are their version of a super ideal cut diamond. They are cut to exceptional standards to achieve perfect light performance and brilliance. While you can find a stunning diamond in the main search, the True Hearts collection guarantees a breathtakingly brilliant stone, which is something to consider. For our example, we'll start with the standard natural diamonds to show you how to find an incredible value stone. But know that the True Hearts collection is an excellent option if top-tier sparkle is your priority.
All right, now we're on the diamond search page, and we can start filtering for our ideal stone. For this example, we're going to build a beautiful engagement ring featuring a 2-carat diamond with a princess cut, G color, VS1 clarity, and an ideal cut grade. First, the shape. We've chosen a princess cut. This is a fantastic choice for an engagement ring because of its modern, geometric look and its ability to appear larger than a round diamond of the same carat weight. It's also known for its brilliant sparkle, just in a different way than a round cut, with sharper, more defined flashes of light. Next, the carat weight. We're aiming for 2 carats. This is a significant size that will definitely make a statement. Remember, carat is a measure of weight, and larger diamonds are rarer, which is why the price increases significantly with carat weight. However, deciding on the right carat weight really depends on your personal preference and budget. Now let's talk about color. We've selected a G color grade. As we discussed before, G falls in the near colorless range. For a diamond of 2 carats, any slight tint can be a bit more noticeable than in a smaller stone. However, a G color offers an excellent balance. It will appear bright white to the naked eye, especially once it's set in a ring, and you can often save a significant amount compared to a D, E, or F color grade. Moving on to clarity, we've chosen VS1, which stands for Very Slightly Included. In a 2-carat diamond, imperfections can be a little easier to spot if you go too low in clarity. A VS1 grade means that any inclusions present are very minor and will almost certainly be invisible to the naked eye. This gives us peace of mind that our beautiful, larger diamond will look flawless, without paying a premium for flawless or internally flawless grades where the difference is only visible under magnification. Finally, and arguably the most crucial of the 4 C's for maximizing sparkle, is the cut. For any diamond, but especially one of this size, you want the best possible light performance. That's why we're choosing an excellent cut grade. This ensures that the diamond's facets will interact with light optimally, giving us maximum brilliance, fire, and scintillation. James Allen even has their True Hearts designation, which represents the very best in cut quality. While we're aiming for excellent in general, keep an eye out for those True Hearts diamonds if you want the absolute best sparkle. Now, these are the criteria we've chosen for our example, but please remember that these are just guidelines. You might prefer a different shape, a warmer color grade, or a slightly lower clarity to fit your budget. The beauty of James Allen is that you have so many options and the ability to inspect each individual diamond. The key is to understand how each of the 4Cs impacts a diamond's appearance and price, and then make informed decisions based on what's most important to you. Don't be afraid to play around with the filters and explore different combinations.
Okay, after applying our filters for a 2-carat G-color VS1 clarity ideal cut princess diamond, we have some results. Now, this is where the real learning begins. If you look closely, you'll see a couple of interesting things. Notice that one of these is certified by IGI, while the others are GIA certified. You might be wondering what the difference is. Both GIA and IGI are highly respected independent gemological labs. They both use the 4Cs grading system that GIA created. However, GIA is considered the gold standard in the industry, known for its extremely strict and consistent grading. Because of this reputation, GIA-certified diamonds sometimes command a higher price. IGI, on the other hand, is also a very reputable lab, but is sometimes known for being slightly more lenient in its grading, which can result in a more attractive price. This doesn't mean the IGI diamond is a bad choice at all. It just means that when you compare two diamonds with seemingly identical grades on paper, you should know that the different certifiers can be a factor in the price. The key is to trust your eyes, especially with James Allen's 360-degree viewer, and to not just buy based on the grade on the certificate alone. Now let's talk about the next interesting fact, the price difference between these two GIA diamonds that look the same on paper. For example, look at this one here and this one here. Both are GIA certified, and they have the same 4Cs, but one is a few $100s more. Why is that? The answer is simple. The 4Cs are just one piece of the puzzle. There are other factors, such as the specific plot of inclusions. The type and location of the inclusions matter. One diamond might have inclusions that are easier to hide with the prong and the setting, while another might have an inclusion right in the middle that makes it less desirable, and therefore less expensive. The visual properties of the diamond beyond the certificate, things like polish, symmetry, and even fluorescence, can slightly affect the sparkle and overall appearance. A diamond with perfect symmetry and polish will have better light performance and often carry a higher price tag. The actual weight, even within a carat range like 2.00 to 2.05, a stone that is a perfect 2.00 carats may be priced higher because it hits that specific round number that is so desirable in the market. So if you see a slight price difference, don't assume the cheaper one is a bad deal. It's often a great opportunity to get a fantastic diamond for a little less. The most important thing is that you're using James Allen's tools to look at the diamond yourself and decide which one looks best to you. So after considering all of these factors, we're going to move forward with this third diamond here. It's a GIA-certified 2.01 carat stone that offers a great balance of size, quality, and a very competitive price. It's a solid choice that gives us confidence. Now that we've made our selection, let's dive into the most important part, using the 360-degree viewer to give this diamond a real in-depth inspection. Now we've landed on the product page for our chosen diamond, and this is where you get to truly inspect the stone. This interactive 360-degree view is the single most powerful tool on James Allen's website. You can rotate, tilt, and use the magnifying glass to zoom in and out up to 40 times magnification. You're seeing the diamond's every facet, its light performance, and its clarity characteristics, all from the comfort of your home. In a physical store, you might get to use a jeweler's loupe, but you're still limited to one view. Here, you have complete control to inspect the diamond from every angle, as if you were holding it yourself. This is how you can be completely confident in your purchase. Another fantastic feature is this image here, which uses James Allen's technology to show you exactly how this 2.01 carat princess cut diamond will look on a hand. You can change the hand size to get a perfect visualization of its presence and proportions. Now let's go over the diamond information table. This is the breakdown of the diamond's stats, providing more detail than the initial filters. Shape, it confirms our choice of a princess cut. Carat, At 2.01, it's a beautiful, sizable stone. Color. RG color, which we know is a near colorless grade that offers excellent value. Clarity. The VS1 grade confirms that any inclusions are minor and almost certainly eye clean. Cut. The ideal cut, which tells us that the proportions are designed for maximum brilliance and sparkle. Below the main 4Cs, you'll see polish and symmetry, both graded as excellent. These are crucial details that determine a diamond's finish and how well it reflects light. Excellent grades here mean the diamond's facets are perfectly aligned, which contributes to its overall shine. You'll also see a line for fluorescence, which for this diamond is listed as faint. Fluorescence is a diamond's reaction to ultraviolet light. Faint fluorescence is generally considered a good thing, as it can help a diamond appear whiter without any negative milky effects. It's often a great value add. There are also a lot of other technical numbers here, like table percentage and depth, but you don't need to be an expert to use James Allen. The important thing is that these numbers confirm our excellent and ideal cut grades. I'll include some guides in the description to help you understand these details more, but for now, you can be completely confident that you're looking at a well-proportioned diamond. Finally, let's look at the price and payment options. Our diamond is priced at $16,180, but what's great about James Allen is they offer interest-free payment plans. You can see here the option for 3 interest-free payments. This makes a significant purchase much more manageable. They also have other financing options that allow you to pay over a longer period. This flexibility really helps make the perfect diamond more accessible. This is the GIA report, your diamond's official fingerprint. I've paused the screen here because this document is the most important piece of information for any diamond you're considering. It's your ultimate guarantee of quality, independently verified by the Gemological Institute of America, the most respected lab in the world. First, let's confirm the main grades. You'll see the GIA report number at the top, which you can use to verify this document on GIA's own website. Right below that, you'll see our 4Cs confirmed: carat weight at 2.01, color grade at G, and clarity grade at VS1. It's a quick and easy way to double-check that the diamond's details match what we searched for. Below the main grades, you'll find other crucial details like polish and symmetry, which are both graded as excellent here. This tells you the diamond's surface finish and the alignment of its facets are top-notch. You'll also see fluorescence listed as faint, which is exactly what we want to see. This is the most critical part of the report, and the reason GIA is the gold standard. This is the clarity plot. It's a map of the diamond's internal and external features. Every tiny inclusion is plotted exactly where it is in the diamond. For our VS1 diamond, you can see a few minor spots. The brilliance of James Allen's 360-degree viewer is that you can go back to that page and see those very same inclusions with your own eyes, confirming everything on this report. You'll also see a proportions diagram. This is a detailed technical drawing of the diamond. You don't have to be an expert to understand it, but it's where GIA confirms the diamond's depth, table, and other measurements which directly determine its cut grade. A well-proportioned diamond will return more light and sparkle more brilliantly. So, with this GIA report and James Allen's high-tech viewing tools, you can now confidently verify a diamond's quality without ever stepping into a store. We've done our homework and confirmed that this is an excellent diamond. Now that we have our perfect stone, let's move on to the next exciting step: choosing a setting to complete our ring. Now that we've found our perfect diamond, James Allen gives us a few options. We can add our diamond to a pendant, or just go straight to the cart. But for this guide, we're building a complete engagement ring. So we'll select Add a Ring Setting. Welcome to the fun part. You can see all the different ring styles at the top, from classic solitaire to a more glamorous pave or halo. James Allen has hundreds of settings in every metal, so you have endless choices to find a style that fits your personal taste. For our example, I'm going to choose the Hidden Halo setting. I personally love this style because it gives you the sleek, clean look of a solitaire from the top, but from the side, it reveals a beautiful, secret circle of tiny diamonds. It's a modern and elegant detail that adds a little extra sparkle without being over the top. Now, among the many options, we're going to choose the Petite Pavé Crown Diamond Engagement Ring in Platinum. It's a beautiful choice that complements our princess-cut diamond perfectly. The crown of pavé diamonds sits just beneath our center stone, and the platinum band will make our G-colored diamond pop even more. In the next section, we'll take a closer look at the setting itself, and you'll see how James Allen's technology allows us to visualize our complete ring before we even hit buy. Now we're on the product page for our chosen setting, the Petite Pavé Crown in Platinum. This is your chance to get a full 360-degree view of just the setting itself. What's incredible about this page is the number of detailed, high-resolution photos and videos from every angle. Look at all these views. You can see how the Petite Pavé diamonds are set into the band, a detail that's a huge part of the ring's design. You can see the setting from the side, a view that showcases that beautiful hidden halo and the crown that holds the center stone. These visuals give you a much better sense of the ring's delicate proportions and how it will look in real life. And here again is that fantastic tool to see the ring on an actual hand. This helps you get a real sense of its scale and how it will sit on the finger. It's a game changer when you're making a significant purchase online. Before we select this setting, let's take a quick look at the product description down here. This confirms that the setting itself is a vibrant pavé diamond crown with accents on the prongs and gallery, and the band is accented with diamonds that extend halfway down the shank. It also gives you all the details on the metal. This extra information ensures you know every detail about the ring you're building. We've picked our diamond and we've chosen our setting. We have all the information we need to be confident. In the final section, we will bring these two parts together to create our complete ring and show you what the final order process looks like.
We've done it! Our masterpiece is complete. On this page, you can see our chosen princess-cut diamond is now perfectly set in the Petite Pavé Crown setting. This is your final chance to admire the ring in all its glory, with all the visuals we've seen throughout the process. Below, you can find a complete summary of all the diamond and setting details. This is a fantastic summary. Everything we chose, from the 2.01 carat weight to the VS1 clarity and the platinum setting, is all laid out right here. You can even click the link to reopen the GIA report for a final look if you want. Now, let's head to the checkout page. You'll see a summary of our entire order. The total price is laid out clearly, showing the breakdown of the diamond and setting costs. But what's really important here are the promises that James Allen makes with every purchase. Look here. Free overnight shipping. This means you get your ring quickly and securely. And a hassle-free returns policy, which is a 100% money-back guarantee for 30 days. This completely removes any risk from buying such a significant item online. It tells you James Allen stands behind their product and wants you to be completely satisfied. You'll also see an estimated tax amount here, which will be calculated based on your location at checkout, so there are no surprises. And finally, the payment options. James Allen provides multiple ways to pay, from all major credit cards to PayPal. And as we saw earlier, they offer a great interest-free payment plan that helps make a big purchase much more manageable. You can even click the link to reopen the GIA report for a final look if you want. And there you have it. We've built a custom 2-carat GIA certified diamond engagement ring from scratch, all from the comfort of our computer. We've used James Allen's technology to inspect every detail of the diamond, confirmed its authenticity with a GIA report, and chosen the perfect setting, all while knowing our purchase is protected by their excellent return policy and lifetime warranty. This is the future of diamond buying: transparent, secure, and completely in your control. If you're ready to start your journey, click the link in the description to visit James Allen and begin building your own dream ring today. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, subscribe to support and discover more videos about fine gemstones, jewelry insights, and timeless treasures. Your support means everything. See you in the next one.